Okay, so how much does a 5 kilogram mass weigh on the surface of the Earth? Please don't say 5 kilograms. And be ignorant, right? It's mass equals 5.0 kilograms, right? And then weight is equal to m times g, right? G is F over m, so therefore the force of gravity is mg, right? So 5 times 9.81 is equal to 49.05, right? So this is its mass. This is its weight. It will have this mass no matter where we put it, okay? It could be on the moon, anywhere else, right? It's got this much mass. It's got this much inertia, right? On Earth, where the gravitational field strength is 9.81 newtons per kilogram, it's got this weight, okay?